Hey Phoebe, can you hammer?
Hammer time!
It's not going now.
It's not yet to hit it harder.
There you go. Yeah. Here, watch.
Ow.
You okay? Like that. You gotta hit it hard. This is actually a car shaping hammer, so it doesn't really help much.
It's gonna help me.
Yeah? Okay.
No, we have to do it.
Here, let me see. I'll show you. This is a hard one to hit. Watch. Alright, ready? Good job.
Ow. I can get it so.
Tough girls.
That's right.
How am I gonna do it?
Alright, you saw it. Chainsaw it. There you go. Yeah. Alright, ready? Hold on with me. Ready? There you go, look at it. They're all flat.
I need more nails.
You need more nails?
What?
Hey, so what are you working on there?
I'm working on this.
Yeah?